guys, so today I'm making an unboxing. You know why? Because we hit our 20 subscribers special. Thank you all my fans. Thank you. Anyways, special shout out to Candy. She made me hit that 2-0. My absolutely amazing homies got me some flowers. Keychron K2 keyboard. And then we also have the wrist rest. If the energy is low, I just came back from a long day. Well, you know, the energy will still be here.
The energy is always here, deep in our hearts. But even the packaging, look at this, it's beautiful.
Just a warning, I don't know how to do an unboxing. We're just gonna go with it.
Let's go! Windows. Let's switch them up. I don't really know how to do this, not gonna lie. But I'm gonna break this. No, I got this. I did it, right? Okay, so this is apparently wireless. I just don't know how to... Oh, okay. From Bluetooth.
FM +1? What? Oh, for 4 seconds. Okay, cool. Oh my god, it's here. I'm genius. Honestly, I would make this a proper unboxing and go through each of the steps, but I can't be cooked, man. I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna play around with the lights. That's it.
I'll get to the wrist card. So this is the wrist rest that is recommended for the keyboard. Let me just open that. Come closer, don't be shy.
Let me do some typing, guys. Anyways, that's the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for the 20 subscribers. We got the 20 subscribers. Thanks. I appreciate it. You know, even if we had 2 subscribers, I appreciate each one of you guys. We made it so far, man. Anyways, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.